Hey, if your Whirlpool refrigerator is leaking water onto the floor or inside the fridge, don't panic. In this video, I'll show you the most common causes and easy fixes you can try step by step in 2026. First, check where the water is appearing. Is it under the fridge, inside the fridge compartment, or near the freezer? The location helps identify the problem quickly. The most common reason for leaks is a clogged defrost drain. Ice melts during defrost cycles, and water should flow through a drain tube. If it's blocked, water backs up. Unplug the refrigerator, locate the drain hole inside the freezer, and flush it using warm water with a turkey baster or small bottle. If your fridge has an ice maker or water dispenser, check the water line behind the refrigerator for loose connections or cracks. Pull the fridge slightly forward and look underneath for the drain pan. Make sure it's properly positioned and not cracked. Damaged door seals allow warm air inside, creating excess condensation that can turn into water leaks. If the refrigerator isn't level, water may not flow correctly into the drain system. Adjust the front feet so the fridge tilts slightly backward. Look inside the freezer for a frozen or misaligned fill tube. Ice buildup here can cause water to drip or leak. If leaking continues, the issue could be a faulty water valve or internal tubing problem that requires technician service. So remember, clean the defrost drain, check the water line, inspect the drain pan, seal the doors properly, and make sure the fridge is level. And yeah, that's how you fix a Whirlpool refrigerator leaking water in 2026. Try these fixes first, and you may solve the problem in just a few minutes.